8:04 in the morning. Today it will be Quitten marmalade, quince marmalade. Thank you to my sister, homemade. I will enjoy this thoroughly and then think about where am I going to go today. The Quitten marmalade is absolutely delicious, my dear sister. That's the second one. I'm loving it. Not next door to Alice, next door to a Morello 5 stars loft. And a loft it is indeed. I'm quite happy with my mobile home. This RV is big enough, but that is a real whopper. Made up my mind. I'm going first of all to a Baumarkt, a DIY center at the 500 meters from this site. Then come back here, buy a couple of things because I cannot get water into my tank, do not have the right connector. And then kick it off, go to Goslar. See you there. So here I am, heading towards a German DIY center, Hornbach. Why am I doing this? Let it be a warning to all people who are new to RV and van life. When you are breaking camp, especially when you are with two people, well, the troops tend to have a very nervous energy sometimes. And you forget things. You forget to disconnect cables, electricity and stuff. And that happened to me with a connector for the hose. So when you need it, you don't have it. So here I have to buy it again. Will just be a couple of euros, but still, it's not nice. This is a big one. Oh my God, they have everything. Look at this. Oh, that's cool. Spider-Man, Iron Man. Used to be a huge Spider-Man fan when I was a young boy. They already have Christmas decorations. Holy fuck. It's end of September. So I do think that those are the ones I need. Anyways, there are just two different sizes. Well, we take that. And then at a second site, I discovered this. Look at the price. And there are the other ones. Decision made. Wir haben Bratwurst, Frikadelle, Pommes, Currywurst. But now I just had breakfast and I'm not going to give in to the temptation and my weakness, which is currywurst. Waiting for the station to clear, it takes a lot of time. Those are people who just hired their mobile home. They're on the road with their dogs. Apparently someone else who was waiting for a very long time gave up. They really need a lot of time, but well, let's be patient. Now guess what? The connectors didn't fit. I'm a total donkey. Brought me down €1.18. That's not much of a loss. And at home I have enough connectors for hoses. I have more connectors than money in the bank. No, you won't ask yourself the question why that is, because I'll answer it right away. I'm totally zero incompetent at purchasing any DIY part, might it be for hoses or anything else. So at home I'm over equipped, and right here I wasn't. But fortunately, a very nice guy who has a RV rental serviced his car at the service site, and he helped me out. But still, it's incredible.